Introducing the Priest First Love Collection. From booty balm to lip balm, we have your next date night covered. Turn up the charm with the Date Night Hair Refresher. This is the ultimate pre-date pick-me-up to cleanse, hydrate, and volumize your hair, leaving your hair touchably soft and irresistibly smooth. Ingredients used to bring this product to life are Pellicer L30 to effectively cleanse without stripping, Biogenic Salic 210 to exfoliate and remove buildup and dead skin cells, Green Dial and Panthenol 75% to deeply hydrate and protect both scalp and hair, Niacinamide to strengthen the scalp barrier, and Biogenic Adenosine 30 and Biogenic Caffeine 210WS to promote hair density and vitality. Get ready to glow from behind with this beauty booty balm, the Ultra Luxe formula that hydrates, smooths, and plumps for an ultra smooth, radiant derriere. Featured ingredients in this balm include Green Dial, an eco-friendly powerhouse to lock in moisture and reduce transepidermal water loss, sodium hyaluronate for enhanced hydration and elasticity, tranexamic acid and niacinamide to brighten and reduce the appearance of dark spots and improve overall barrier function. Biogenic Caffeine 210WS is an encapsulated and stabilized form of caffeine to help reduce the appearance of cellulite, while Pellicer L30 is a biodegradable plant-based active that repairs and strengthens the skin barrier, ensuring long-lasting hydration and resilience. The luxurious texture is brought to you by Aquapec 805 EG300 and Inagel Oil NP, to help effortlessly glide into the skin, offering a silky, non-greasy feel, yet providing film-forming effect without a sticky afterfeel. And of course, Arco Pearl Sparkle 310 adds a subtle golden shimmer and a radiant glow for a luxurious finish. Turn up the heat with this Love Potion Massage Oil, a silky, glow-enhancing elixir that glides like a dream, leaving your skin irresistibly soft, touchably smooth, and ready for romance. SilkFlow 366 ensures a velvety, non-greasy finish and enhances the intimacy of every touch, while biotin, bisabolol, and vitamin E work to nourish, soothe, calm, and deeply moisturize the skin. Kiss dry lips goodbye with our Pucker Up Lip Mask, the ultra-hydrating, moisture-locking lip treatment that leaves your lips soft, smooth, and totally kissable by morning. Our licorice derivative and vitamin E work to provide anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that help smooth, calm, and offer conditioning benefits, while SilkFlow 364 and 366 lock in essential moisture while you sleep. Turn up the charm with a Your Blushing Lip and Cheek Gloss. This formulation melts into skin for a fresh, flushed, and flirtatious look. Licorice derivative and vitamin E pack the formulation full of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, while Pearl Flakes provide a flush of color and a little bit of glow. SilkFlow packs in the moisturization, while Indipol H100 helps flush last all day. Seal every moment with this Stolen Kisses lip balm. This ultra-nourishing pop of pink lip balm leaves lips soft, smooth, and totally irresistible. The pop of pink is brought to you by Pearl Flake Magenta and Pearl Flake Red 7. Biotin, bisabolol, and vitamin E provide antioxidant and soothing benefits for the lips, while Cerisense SM9 contributes to the sensory properties, and Satin B UVS provides excellent adhesion and longwear that gives a soft satin finish. Get ready to buff, smooth, and shine with this Pout Perfecting Polish. The Pout Perfecting Polish is the ultimate mess-free lip scrub that preps your lips for a flawless, kissable finish. The star of the show is Scrub Silica 600G that gently exfoliates the top layer of dead skin to help restore an ultra-smooth and even lip. The combination of Panaline L14E, SilkFlow 364, and Indipol H100 hydrocarbon emollients help maintain moisture for the ultimate lip prep product. To learn more about the Priest First Love Collection, head over to letsmakebeauty.com or reach out to your account executive.